Shubab angin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpe, ban subscribe ya ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke jylla.
Myntri ka Koit ke Khiah wailat mi ki Shilla ula pintem ba ka jing tokit halor ka jing khla jung MP ka Shillong Riki Synkon kala shem ba ki nongtre ka Mawiong Community Health Center kilale kloy kat kum ka bor bakidon la ong ba ha ka bor bala Wanrah ya CHC ha ka khat khandai tarik rimpang arjar arpun riu hadien bo ulak kelon kat ba deng le kai football Nale mardor ya ke jingpej benia ai oxygen bat layale CPR shwaban pin kenria shika hospital ka bahia hadien kata lara yu she Dr. H Gordon Robert Hospital ha ka bala lap ba omdon shu katanat ka Koit ke Khiah kala pin pawru ya ke jing ngolem shika yen ka sem jong Myntri ula Jubab halor ke jing keno ba omdon doktor Mawiong CHC da ka ba ula kubur ba ha kani ka sngi omdon doktor hapo Mawiong CHC Hindray ulak daw bo udon tang away doktor ubla pet nong pang nadu minstep hadu janmien ula ongru ba ka jylla kadang duna bha ki doktor la ong ba u doktor udon ha ka phone bat ula ai jing batai shaka nurse kat ba kidang ai jing rap ka bakar ki ka sorkar kadang pin khre ban thong gumba shispa san phongut ki doktor kontrai ban pin duna ka ni ka jing duna.
Okay, so that's also one of the point which I really like to share with all of you here regarding the sequence of event which happened at Mawiong CHC. So the Meghalaya the Health Department, Government of Meghalaya, placed the following factual account on record regarding the medical attention provided to Honourable Member of Parliament Dr. Riki Synkon at Mawiong Community Health Center (CHC) on the evening of 19 February 2026, based on the inspection and inquiry conducted by the District Medical and Health Officer, DMHO East Khasi Hills. So these are the sequence of event as mentioned below. So firstly, that on 6:53 p.m. 108 Emergency Call Center received a call about the event, and ambulance was dispatched immediately to Mawiong Rim Playground from Laumali. At approximately 7:15 p.m., Honorable MP Dr. Riki Synkon was brought to the emergency room of Mawiong CIC by accompanying person following a reported collapse while playing football at a nearby ground. On arrival, the patient was unconscious and unresponsive. Initial assessment revealed blood pressure not recordable, pulse not palpable. The patient was immediately attended by the staff nurse on emergency duty, and the medical officer on call was intimated. Oxygen support was initiated promptly. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which is called CPR, was administered. Despite this resuscitation efforts, the patient did not respond. In view of the critical condition and non-response to initial resuscitation, the patient party was informed of the need for immediate referral to a higher facility. Referral and transport. At approximately 7:20 p.m., arrangements were made for transfer. The patient was shifted with oxygen support by the Mawiong CHC ambulance. The ambulance reached H. Robert Gordon Hospital at approximately 7:40 p.m., where the patient was handed over to the emergency team for further management. As per the medical report of Robert Hospital on arrival, the patient vitals were not recordable and pupils were also bilaterally fixed and dilated. So out of this, the finding of the inquiry confirmed that emergency assessment and basic life support measures were initiated promptly upon the patient arrival at Mawiong CHC. The staff present acted within the scope and capacity of a community health center, including immediate examination, oxygen administration, initiation of CPR, and timely referral to a higher facility. There is no finding of refusal of care or delay in referral at Mawiong CHC. So through this, the Health Department reiterates its deep condolence to the bereaved family and the people of Meghalaya. And also we realize that sudden medical emergencies such as sudden cardiac arrest are time critical event where outcomes depend on multiple factors including patient underlying condition and immediacy of advanced life-saving intervention. So this is the inquiry report which we have sent the DMHO of East Khasi Hills to find the sequence of event in CHC Mawiong.
What about the absence of doctor there?
See, regarding the doctors, because right now in the, like already I mentioned in today's assembly question also in the house, that right now we are like in the tremendous shortage of doctors in our state. But nevertheless, there were actually 4 doctors posted at Mawiong CHC. Number 1 is Dr. Gromor Longdok. Number 2 is Dr. Amin Nongrem. Third one is Dr. Rahul CH Marak, and the 4th is Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru. But out of these 4, 2 are under PG leave for higher studies, and Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru is transferred to Khiah CHC since May because of her medical condition. So as you understand that there is only 1 doctor there. And for him also, we have sent through and find out through the inquiry that he was there the whole day from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. attending OPD cases. As he is the only medical officer in charge of the CHC, he was available on call. And I already mentioned in the sequence of things which happened, the nurse, whatever she was doing, she was on call with the doctor, under the doctor guidance only. So we do understand, no doubt it is very unfortunate that at that particular moment doctor was not there, but all the necessary procedures were followed as the medical emergencies.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.